Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone, my dears. How are you? Are you okay? Yes, today we can start a new chapter, interesting chapter, profit and loss. Profit and loss. Very, very interesting and very, very useful in our life. Okay, let us start. Please take your textbook, page number 96. Okay, first let us begin. In the given questions, did the person get more money or less money? Fill in the blanks with got more money or lost some money. What is profit and loss? Have you ever heard profit and loss? Yes. Labhum nashtom? Yes. If there are businessmen in your house, in your family, then they are deeply related with the profit and loss. We know profit means labham, loss means nashtam. How can you find out the profit and loss? There are three examples. First one, Anup bought a music system. Anup bought means one, a music system for 12,500. He sold, bought and sold, two past form of the buy and sell. The past form of the V2 of the buy is bought and V2 of the sell is sold. Bought means vangi, sold means V2. Okay. Then here first example, Anup bought a music system for 12,500. He sold it for 10,000. What is? He got more money or lost some money? Which is the correct answer? Anup. You just think you are Anup and you bought music system for 12,500. 12,500. Then my question here, he sold it for 10,000. What is the loss and what is the profit? Is it loss or profit? Yes, you can find he bought 12,500 and sold for 10,000 only. 10,000 only. If you find out the difference between these two numbers, you get the answer, same answer. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 0. Then he lost 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees. Second occasion, a shopkeeper sold a box of crayons for 80 rupees. Its actual price was 100. Actual price, a shopkeeper sold a box for 8 rupees, 80 rupees. The actual price of the box is 100. Then is it lost or profit? It is lost or profit? Sure, we can say here the shopkeeper got lost some money. Okay, lost some money because, please listen here, shopkeeper sold 8 rupees. Sold the 8 rupees. Actual price 100 rupees. Actual price 100 rupees. The difference, yes, you can see 20. The difference 20. Then the shopkeeper lost some money. How many money? 20 rupees. A gold chain bought by Kajal for 20,000 rupees was sold at 25,000 rupees. Okay. He bought with 20,000 rupees and sold 25,000 rupees. Then he got more money. So if a shopkeeper of a man got more money when he taking business, then he got the profit. Otherwise, he faced the loss. Okay. First subheading, profit and loss. The price at which an article is bought is called the cost price, CP of the article. Okay, here there are main points related with this chapter. First one, CP. First one, CP. What it means? CP means the price at which an article is bought. ഒരു സാധനം, ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എത്ര രൂപക്കാണോ വാങ്ങിയത് അതിൻ്റെ ചെലവാണ് കോസ്റ്റ് കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. സി പി, കോസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ്. ഓക്കെ, കോസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ്. It is very important to understand. Then the price at which an article is sold called the selling price, SP, selling price. Yes, if the selling price is greater than the cost price, the difference is profit or the gain. Okay, please listen here. This is the cost price. SP means the selling price. Then if the selling price is greater than the cost price, selling price cost price nekal valudanengil, we can say the difference is the profit. The difference is the profit. If you subtract the cost price from the selling price, you get the answer, it is profit. Okay, we can write therefore this 3 dot means therefore profit. What is profit? Yes, profit means SP minus CP. SP minus CP. SP selling price minus CP. Okay, please imagine that you are a businessman, you are a shopkeeper. You bought a pen with 10 rupees. How many rupees? 10 rupees. And you sold the same pen with 20 rupees. Then the profit means SP minus CP. SP here 20 minus CP here 10. Then you get 10 rupees. Then this 10 is the profit here. This 10 is the profit here. You can find out the profit if the selling price is greater than the cost price. If the selling price is greater than cost price, then you can find out the profit. If you subtract CP from SP, CP from SP. Okay. Then if the selling price of an article is less than its cost price, a loss is incurred. Okay. Yes. Please listen here, loss. Then loss. Okay. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Here CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. Listen here. You buy a book. You bought a book with 50 rupees and you sold it by 25 rupees. Then the loss here 50 by CP minus SP, SP 25, okay, is equal to 25. Then here loss is 25. Here loss is 25. Very, very simple chapter. Okay. SP, CP means cost price, SP means selling price. The profit and loss is considered finding the difference between CP and SP. If SP is greater than, then the profit will occur. If CP is greater than, the loss is incurred. Okay? Yes. Then there are number of examples. First example, a shopkeeper bought a video game for 2,400 rupees and sold it for 3,215. Find his profit. That is the question. First question. Okay, please listen here. Find out the answer. It is your time to find out the answer of the question. First example. There is answer. You don't look that example. First I kindly request you to try your best to find. Okay. Yes, I will help you. Here, a shopkeeper bought a video game board. Then CP. CP, how many rupees? 2,400. 2,400. Sold it. SP. 3,215. Then is there profit or loss? Sure, profit, because SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. Then you have to find out the difference. You can find out the difference by subtraction. Okay. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 4. You cannot subtract 4 from 2. Then you just borrow 1 from 3. Then 12 by 4. 12 by 4. Yes. 8. Okay. Then this is the profit of the shopkeeper. This is the profit of the shopkeeper. There are example 2 and example 3. Second subheading, it is very important to find out the answer. Okay. You have to write down all notes in your notebook. Okay. To find the CP or SP when profit is given. To find the CP or SP when profit is given. We now know that profit. What is profit? Yes, profit means SP minus CP. SP minus CP. When SP. If profit and SP are given. Please listen here. Profit and SP are given. Then we can find out the CP. How can you find out the CP? Yes, CP means SP minus profit. SP minus profit. Okay. Example, we can take an example here. What is? Yes. SP and profit given. Selling price and a profit. You sold a book with 10 rupees. And profit here 2 rupees. Listen here. This is SP and this is profit. Okay. SP 10 rupees and profit 2 rupees. Then the CP means SP minus profit. SP here 10 and minus 2 is equal to 8. 2 is equal to 8. Then CP selling price is here. Sorry, cost price is here 8. Cost price is here 8. Okay. Then exercise 3.2. Then to find CP or SP when loss is given. Very simple. CP, we can find out the CP. CP is equal to SP plus loss. SP plus loss. And SP can be find out CP minus loss. Okay. These are very important equations. These are very important equations. You have to find, you have to by heart and you have to practice your well. Okay. By heart is not very important, but the practice is very important. Yes. Then problems on profit and loss. Problems on profit and loss. Okay. Last part of this chapter, let us discuss. There is example exercise 3.3. You have to find out the answer of each question. Before that, example 1. A fruit seller sold pineapple at 10 rupee each. If the cost price for each was 8 rupees, find his profit on each pineapple. That is the question. Please listen here. A fruit seller sold pineapple. Okay. Then price of one pineapple. Price of one pineapple 10 rupees. Okay. And cost price. The SP here selling price of one pineapple 10 rupees. CP's cost price of one pineapple is 8. Then the profit, we can see 10 minus 8, 2. The profit here 2. Okay. Because SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. Then example 2. A TV was sold at 10,450 at a loss of 1,350. What was the cost price of the TV? What was the cost price of the TV? It is very simple because solution selling price SP is 10,405 rupees. Loss 1,350 rupees. Then cost price 11,800 rupees. 11,800 rupees. Then we have covered. Then the solving the following. There are 3 questions in exercise 3.4. 3.4. I just read. Raman sold a calculator for 2,050 rupees. If he made a profit of 150 rupees, what was the cost price of the calculator? It is very important question. Second question, there are 3 questions. You have to find out the answer. Please listen here. We have covered the chapter profit and loss. It is very simple chapter. You just understand the concept of SP and CP and find out the method of finding SP and CP if the profit and CP is given or loss and SP is given. Okay, each and every equations are given there. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask. Let us wind up here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.